So here you can see the marking for the mortise rectangular hole. So here you can draw the two parallel lines by using the mortise gauge. So this is the setting of the mortise gauge. So with the help of this screw, you can change the distance. So same distance is to be shifted on the tenon end. Okay. So similarly, draw the second line. So basically, these two lines, they will represent the two parallel sides of that rectangular mortise hole. So you can see here, this is the tenon end. Okay, that means we will remove the material from this end, and this is the mortise hole. So this cross means we need to remove that material by using either hand saw or by using the chisels. And similarly here, the center portion is to be removed. So fix the workpiece to the bench vise, and then by using the hand saw, you can remove that material so that the workpiece will look like as a tenon tongue. So fix it vertically. So this is your tenon end. So now to make the rectangular hole, that is a mortise hole, in the second workpiece, we need the chisels. So these are the chisels. So here you can see this is called as a mallet. Okay, so basically it is a wooden hammer. So now to remove the long portion or the material exactly in the vertical line, we can use the flat chisel. Okay, so you can see here the flat chisel is used. Basically it removes the long portion of that material. So now just turn the workpiece and remove the material from the second side. So this is the mortise hole. So you can remove some excess material again by using the flat chisel. And then this is the complete assembly of the mortise tenon joint. Okay. So basically this is 90-degree mortise tenon joint. So there are various other mortise tenon joint. So this is your first job in the carpentry shop. Okay. That is to make one mortise tenon joint. So I hope you have understood the complete procedure with the help of this video. So this mortise tenon joint, it is used in the chairs. So you can see here the mortise tenon joint. Okay. Also it is used in the beds or any other objects. Okay. So that we can fit two objects or two pieces without using nails. The second job in the carpentry shop, it is the demonstration of the wood turning operation. Okay. So if you want to make some wooden piece exactly round or circular, okay, then you can carry out that operation on the wooden lathe. Okay. So in the next session, we will see the wood turning operation and how the wooden pieces are made exactly round. Okay.